Hello everyone, how to totes back with another app review video, and in this video I'm going to tell you app. It's called CashPro, Bank of America. So you can see the rating of the app 4.5 out of 5. When you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is really amazing. And 909 reviews, it means 909 people write something about this app, or you will see it later. The size of the app 83 megabyte, and you can see 100k reviews. It means 100k plus people downloaded this app or use this app. Okay, so if you want to see the some screenshot, then you can see you have to sign up first, then you have to use company id, user id, password, then best mobile app coalition grenoise 2022. You can also use dark mode, ACS positive pay, you can pay mobile token, check deposit, and many things is available here. And CashPro online users can perform time sensitive function using CashPro mobile. Okay, this is the finance app, and if you want to check that when this app is released, then it's really simple. So here are some benefit, like with that app you can safely view and take action across several banking capabilities. So there are some point you can read before installing this app or using this app. So you can see the app is released 2017. Okay, so if you wanna check ratings and reviews, what people actually think about that. So you can see 5-star ratings, very helpful for the corporate user. The notifications screen at the top of the Android CashPro app is not displaying all the tasks that I have to do. So there are some positive ratings and 5, and if you want to check some negative reviews, then here I'll get some negative reviews. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. It's really easy to use. You just need to registration and start using this app. So today's no more friend, thank you for watching.